Hello lovely shoebox packers, welcome back to my channel, Mrs. Newfie Fan. My name is Sarah and today I'm going to do an unboxing of a boy 10 to 14 and it is no theme, kind of, there's a bit of a loose like skateboard theme. This is my first 10 to 14 boy box that I've done this year, so I was excited to get this one out. I have struggled with this age group in the past, but I think I'm finding it easier to pack for these boxes now, especially where I have two boys and my youngest just turned 10, which I was talking about in my last video. So I do kind of, know what they're into now. So it makes it a little bit easier to shop and, you know, put a box together. This box is not like sports heavy. I know a lot of people include soccer balls and things for their boys, especially the 10 to 14 age group. Unfortunately, I just can't find good deals on soccer balls around here. So if anybody's in Canada and maybe knows like a place online where you can get good deals on soccer balls and the pumps and things, by all means, let me know in the comments. I've struggled to find those items where I am too. I only have access to like Walmart. I do have a Giant Tiger. I don't think they carry any sporting equipment, or not very much. And I do have some sport stores, like sporting stores next to me, but again, very expensive. I've never seen them go on sale for a good price or clearance. So anyways, but we've got all kinds of boys that like all kinds of things. So hopefully this boy will be happy with his box, even though it doesn't have a soccer ball in it. So this box is missing a sharpener. As mentioned, I need to get some. I'm probably just gonna have to order some off Amazon, and I don't have many stickers for this one, so I might try to order some like skateboard stickers that are a bit more boy themed or boy appropriate. So I'll open up the box so that you can see what it looks like when he opens it. So right on top is going to be his pencil case and his t-shirt, and then all the fun stuff is underneath. So yeah, let's get into it. So on top is his pencil case. I did give him this dual compartment zippered one from Dollarama. I like these. These are not bad. They're like that mesh. And I'll show you what I put inside. So in the front pocket, I tucked in one of those little ocean bookmarks that also doubles as a ruler with centimeter and inches. I get these from Amazon. I put in a little pack of Post-it notes that I just had in my stash that I got for free. It was like a promotional item. And this was the prayer card that I put in for this boy. Run with perseverance, the race marked out for us. Hebrews 12:1. So I really like that one for a boy. And then in the other pocket of his pencil case, I've got some pre-sharpened pencils. Let's see if I can get these out without knocking stuff everywhere. There's some pre-sharpened pencils. I've got him a black pen and a blue pen. I've got him a couple mechanical pencils, yellow highlighter. Got him another blue pen and a black pen. And here's a fun gel pen. And actually, I said this was a black pen, but this is a gel pen as well in black. And a permanent marker in blue. So I think I'm also missing an eraser. I can't remember. I can't remember if there's an eraser in this one or not, but I know I'm missing a sharpener. So that's his pencil case, and he does have some other art supplies in this box, which hopefully he'll be able to store all of it in his pencil case. So I found his shirt at Walmart, and I really like this one. I like the color of it. It's like a mustardy yellow. It's not coming out. And it says, always good vibes, which I felt like was kind of a little bit of a skateboard theme. And this is a 14-16 for a boy. It's coming out a brighter yellow than it is in person. It's more of, like I said, like a mustardy yellow. So that's his t-shirt. So here's what the box looks like underneath his shirt and his pencil case. I couldn't fit a plush stuffed animal in this one, but I still like to include something. So I tucked in this little one. I think this is an old McDonald's toy, one of their little teeny beanie boos that they had at McDonald's. So I got him a little tiger. I guess that is tiger. And here is his socks. I think these are the Athletic Works ones from Walmart. So I got him a pair of ankle socks. And then this was just something I had in my stash. I really like this. It kind of looks like faux wood, and it's a hardcover notebook. And it's just your standard lined pages inside. But I really like this one for a boy. I felt it was nice and mature looking, and it does have the little ribbon bookmark. And it comes with the little elastic closure. But of course, I also included the plain notebooks that I like to put in my boxes for his doodling and whatever. And again, I like this one. It's kind of like a mountain kind of scape on it. So I like that one for this boy. And inside I have a water bottle. This was another promotional item that I had in my stash. And I've managed to stuff it. So this one doesn't come with a straw. It's just a snap little spout on top. It snaps shut. And it's grippy. This is like rubber, so it's actually really nice. So inside this, I've got his markers. Oh, there's his eraser. So it's the word ones that I got from Michael's. Oops. And let me see if I can get all this out. There's a selection of Crayola markers for him. They're the super tip ones. And I got him, I might never get this back in. This was like packed within an inch. Got him a white eraser. And I've got him a flashlight in orange. And of course the batteries, and they are covered in plastic, so they are protected. And his little black comb. So I managed to get all that into the water bottle, which I was quite pleased with. So this is an item I found recently. This was a Walmart back to school clearance, and it's just like a little bag he can clip on somewhere. It's like a little keychain ring on it. And of course it has skateboards and some rollerblades and things on it. And I filled this with little treasures for him as well. So inside I have his whistle. I have a nice bouncy ball, and these do bounce really good. I have a hacky sack for him, and I got these on clearance at Giant Tiger. And it's the actual like hacky sack brand, so it looks like it's a good quality one. And his fidget spinner, I was able to tuck that one in there as well. And you've seen these before in my videos. I get these at Dollarama in a 2-pack, and they're nice and shiny, and they have poppets. So I managed to fit all that in his little tiny pouch. And here is his toothbrush. It is blue with a cap. And I found this at Dollarama. It's the Hot Wheels skateboard. And it's very realistic looking, and it actually has the grippy material that's on skateboards. And then it comes with little finger sneakers, so he can play with that. And it actually can clip on. You can actually remove like the bottom piece of the shoe and actually like hook the shoes on over the skateboard. So I thought that was fun for him to just play with or display. And I gave this boy a math set. I got this on sale on Amazon. I think it was like back when they had their, back to school deals. I got this one for a really good price. I don't remember the price, but I remember it was really good. And it's the brand Maped, and it has the full set inside. And actually, he does actually have one sharpener. I still may include another one if I get some from Amazon, but he does have a little sharpener in there. So I really like the math set for him, and it comes in a nice little tin. And of course, I've got him, this is a dark gray, kind of looks black, but that's the dark gray backpacks, the little cinch bags from Amazon. And I guess this would be his wow item or unique item that I found, and I kept it in the box because I felt like the box was part of the wow. And it is the Playmobil skateboard set, but you can color and decorate the stickers. So you can color the stickers and like the little posters and stuff, and then put them on the ramps and the little wall that it comes with. And you can even color on the little Playmobil people. So I thought that was a really unique item. I love that. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but it was one of those like random, deals that pop up on on Amazon from time to time. So I'll show you the back so you can kind of see. So it does come with a lot of pieces. And there is a palm tree as well that looks like you color. So sorry if it seems like I'm distracted. There's crying noises coming from outside my house, and I just want to make sure it's not my children. And I don't think it is. So sorry about that. But anyways, I'm going to open this box up because I filled this box, because obviously the contents inside, you know, didn't fill the box. There was lots of space, and because I wanted to include the box, I had to fill it up. So I did open it, but it was a nice, neat little opening. It was just a little pull tab, so the box still looks like it's new and intact. So I'll show you what I've tucked inside. So I got his scissors tucked in there. Got a pair of blue, navy blue sunglasses. This was another item that I found on the back to school clearance at Walmart. I really like this. It's like the little index cards, cue cards, but they're just different colors, and it's got a fun wavy edge, and it even comes with a little marker that hangs on the little binder clip there. So I thought these were really cute. I went back and got quite a few of these. I got some in pink as well for some of my girl boxes. So I really like that. And to me, it kind of gave the skateboard vibes. And this was another item I got on the back to school clearance at Walmart. These are these adorable little stationery sets. And I'll open it up so you can see what's inside. And there it is. It comes with like little mini tape, little mini scissors, a stapler, the stapler remover, a little sharpener. Oh, I forgot there was a sharpener in here. So this one doesn't need a sharpener. So he's got two now. That's great. And little paper clips. And it even comes with an extra little roll of tape for the, isn't that the cutest? I just love those. And this one just has like a little sports. And it does close really nicely. And it comes with a little sports motif. So I really like that. As well, I got his little boo-boo kit tucked down in there. That's just some regular bandages. And I've got one Hot Wheel for him. A fun blue and silver. As well, his little gray face cloth was in this box. This box just keeps going. And tucked down along the side is a little small pack of colored pencils. And again, this was another promotional item that I had in my stash. So I tucked those in as well. So we had lots of art supplies. And then I'm not going to pull out what's inside the box, but I'll just let you see inside. That's all the contents that makes up this set. So as you can see, lots of wasted space in these boxes. I just kind of compressed it all down. I left everything in its packaging. Those are the markers. You can see the 4 markers there in the box. That comes with this kit, the washable markers. And of course his instructions and stickers is all there. So yeah, that's his set. So let me know in the comments what you think about this item. And if you think a boy 10 to 14 would enjoy this. My son would definitely enjoy this, especially something that he could color and decorate himself, kind of add a bit of a personal touch to. He would quite enjoy this. So yeah, let me know what you think of this item. And then right down at the bottom of the box is, oops, the following. I gave him 2 of the Canadian exercise books. They are 32 pages each. Got him a blue and a green. Oh, he also got a little squishy too. I tucked a little squishy in. And is his big ruler, the long ruler, right on the bottom in a blue. So like I said, I want to find some cool stickers for this boy. So I got to look on Amazon and see what I can find. I did say I needed a sharpener, but it looks like I doesn't, because this box already has 2 sharpeners. So that's great. So yeah, I really enjoyed putting this box together. And after I repack it, I may see if I can fit another little plush character in for him. I have a couple more of these like teeny beanie boos from McDonald's kicking around in my stash. So when I repack this, I'm going to see if I can squeeze another little plush in for him, because I love to give my boys, even my older boys, they still love stuffed animals and toys and things. So yeah, that's my box, 10 to 14 for a boy. So I'm going to try to do another one. before this shoebox season is over. I'm going to try to get another one in before it's collection week. I've been collecting some more items downstairs, so hopefully I can pull together another box. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching. I really appreciate all the likes and comments and my new subscribers. I'm really enjoying chatting with you in the comments and hearing your thoughts and everything. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you like. Let me know if you like the Playmobil set that I put in for a boy 10-14. Let me know if you think it's appropriate. And yeah, have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.